Welcome back, children. Did you learn the first part? Today we are going to continue that same poem. What is the name of the poem? Meri Abhilasha. Meri Abhilasha. Who wrote this poem? Dwarika Prasad Maheshwari. Dwarika Prasad Maheshwari. Let's start. गुंजित कर वन उपवन कोयल सा कुहू में मेरी अभिलाषा है. गुंजित कर वन उपवन कोयल सा कुहू में मेरी अभिलाषा है. गुंजित कर, it's a dancing. One upavan. One means is a forest. Upavan is a garden. Koyal. What is it, koyal? Koyal means is a cuckoo. The bird cuckoo. Koyal sa kuhuku me. Kuhuku means is a giving sound. Do you like that cuckoo sound? It will be sweet, isn't it? Next thing, Meri Abhilasha hai. You know it. Abhilasha means is a wish, a desire. Next time we can see that meaning. Gunjit kar van upavan koyal sa kuhuku me. The poet says he wants to give the sound like the bird cuckoo. It will be sweet through the forest and garden. Is desire. Next thing, nab se निर्मलता लूं, शशि से शीतलता लूं, धरती से सहन शक्ति, पर्वत से दृढ़ता लूं, मेरी अभिलाषा है. Nab means is a forest, Nirmalata is a purity. Sashi means is a moon, Sheetalata is coolness, Dharti is earth, Sahan Shakti is a tolerance. Parvat is a mountain. Dritata is a firmness. Here we can say that is a braveness. Meri Abhilasha hai. Nab se nirmalata loon. We can get the purity from sky. Next thing, Sashi se Sheetalata loon. Sheetalata is a coolness. We can get the coolness from moon. Sahan Shakti. Sahan Shakti is a tolerance. We can get the tolerance from earth. Dridata, firmness. Firmness. We can get firmness from mountain. Poet says his wishes. He wants to get purity from sky. Sheetalata. Coolness from moon. Tolerance from earth, firmness from mountain. Meri Abhilasha hai. He said is desire. Do you like this poem, children? Yes, I am also like this poem. You also having your wishes and desires, isn't it? And this way the poet express his desire with this poem. The next thing is we can continue with we can see the exercise of this part. First one, vachan badalo, singular and plural. Tara, tare, pool, pool. The same word will repeat. Parvat, parvate, nadi, nadiyan, पेड़, पेड़. Again the word same. Next thing, jodo. Jodo means match it. Parvat, mountain. Dharti, earth. Tara, star. Sashi, moon. Koyal, cuckoo. Next one, sahi ya galat. True or false. Here, ha, ya, nahi also we can ask. Ha means yes, nahi is a no. First thing, kavi, सूरज सा चमकना चाहता है. He wants to shine like sun, isn't it? So it is correct. That is हाँ. कवि कोयल की तरह नाचना चाहता है. Poet wants to dance like cuckoo. Is it correct? You want to give the sound, you want to give the sweet sound through the forest and garden, isn't it, children? So it is wrong. कवि फूलों सा महकना चाहता है. फूलों सा महकना. महकना means is a fragrant. He wants to spread the fragrant like flowers. So it is true. हाँ. कवि शशि से रोशनी लेना चाहता है. He want to get a brightness, he want to get shine from the moon. Is it correct? No, it is wrong. We can get the coolness from moon, isn't it? So it is wrong. So नहीं. Now जवाब दो. Answer it. कवि किसकी तरह महकना चाहता है? कवि फूलों की तरह महकना चाहता है. He wants to spread like flowers. It is the answer. Explanation. कवि फूलों की तरह महकना चाहता है. कवि next one. कवि किससे दृढ़ता लेना चाहता है? कवि पर्वत से दृढ़ता लेना चाहता है. कवि पर्वत से दृढ़ता लेना चाहता है. पर्वत means a mountain. दृढ़ता means a firmness. He wants to get firmness from mountain. Okay, children. Now we completed our poem. I'm giving the worksheet to you. Do you like this poem, children? Yes. We will see the next class. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.